Today we're going to be unboxing the Hozelock Bioforce Revolution UVC filtration system. We're unboxing the 6000 model, but there is 9000 and 14,000 models available as well. To find out which model you need, you'll have to use a pond capacity guide in the link in the description below. These systems are all in one, so that means that you can get the pump, filter and UVC all in one package. So what makes these systems so great? Well, it combines the effective cleaning power of the Hozelock Bioforce Revolution with UVC with the Aquaforce Pump to keep your pond crystal clean. So, after we took it out of the box, all we needed to do was attach the handle, stepped hose tail connectors and levers. Once you've done that, you just need it to be wired in from a certified electrician. Another key feature of this item is that it's designed to be buried. It can be buried right up to just below the stepped hose connectors, just there. However, the main feature of this item is just how easy it is to clean. All you need to do is switch the outlet from your pond to your drain, crank the handle, and then switch it back. Now this drain can be led off to anything, shrubbery, a drain, a bucket, whatever suits you. Not only is the Aquaforce Pump powerful, it's also efficient. This will reduce running costs while still maintaining maximum results. It also has an advanced cooling system to prevent it from overheating. You can also purchase both of these items separately. Now when it comes to buying them, make sure you buy your Simplex hose. As the pump is so powerful, you can use it to redirect water to waterfalls and sprinklers. Both of the items can be purchased separately and links can be found in the description box below. Please subscribe to our Garden Flash YouTube channel for more videos like this one, and thank you for watching. Wow!